Hello students, this is a link for SDL self-directed learning English language. Another topic is prefix and suffix. One of the very easy topics again for all of you. So I'll share my screen. Please take a look at this and it's super simple to understand. Grade 3 English language prefix suffix SDL. Okay. Now let's take a look at what is suffix. A letter or a group of letters added at the end of the word to form a new word is called a suffix. Means children, now see, sweetness. So sweet is your main root word. Okay, the root word is basically when a main word is given. That's your root word. Okay, so a root word is your main word. So whatever you add after your main word, at the end of your main word is your suffix. For example, slowly. So slow is your root word, main word. And what are you adding? ly. That is your suffix. Understood? Now comfortable. So comfort is going to be your root word. Able will be your suffix because you're adding something to the word. So whatever you add at the end of the word becomes your suffix. Correct? Very easy. Similarly, prefix. Again, whatever you add before the main word or before the root word becomes your prefix. Now, prefix itself has the word pre. Pre means what? Before. Pre means before. So before a word, if you're adding something, it becomes your prefix, right? Very easy example like unable. So able is given. So whatever you're adding before your root word, that is able, will be your un. So un is your prefix. Comfortable. What are you adding before comfortable? Un. So uncomfort. Uncomfortable becomes your prefix, right? So the things that you add before the word is called prefix. Whatever you add after the word is your suffix. This is just a small table that I've taken out for you to understand root word. What is a root word? I've already told you that a root word is what? A main word is your root word. What you add before it is your prefix and what you add after it is your suffix. Okay. Now quickly, let's not go through all the words, but yes, some words I will be speaking of. Now, let's take a look at the first column, submarine. So marine is the root word, that is main word, and sub is your prefix because it is added before the word. Let's take a look at the third word in the first column. See, enjoyable. Can you see the word enjoyable? So enjoyable. Enjoy is what? Your root word because it's your main word. What you add after your main word becomes your dash. What does it become? Louder? Suffix, that's right. So enjoy able. So able you're adding, right? You're adding able to the word, so it becomes your suffix. Enjoy able. Good. Now let's come to the next word, that is misspell. So spell is your root word. What you add before the root word is your prefix. Understood, children? So that's how you just have to continue. That's how you just keep continuing. Whatever you add before your root. Firstly, always identify your root word. Root word is what? Dash. Root word is what? Come on, louder. Main word, that's right. So again, what you add before it becomes your prefix, what you add after it becomes your suffix. So children, you will be able to see the answer key for prefix and suffix in the EduSprint. I've already, by the time you see the video, you must have already seen the EduSprint app and you will get it there. So I hope preposition and prefix suffix is very clear to everybody. Thank you so much, class, for